gonna do a hair trick. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Well, this looks good.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Did you build this?
Yeah, I did.
Nice job.
Yeah, wow. I built it a couple weeks ago, honestly.
Are you planning to do anything here or keep it solid?
No, I'm going to keep it solid because all this is coming out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is actually a race truck, but that's my only form of transportation, so I needed to build something for my business.
Yes, sir.
So
what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name is Nick. I own Southern Sounds in Sarasota. Currently, I have 4 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s on 2 MD8Ks. They're wired at 2 ohms each, so I don't know what I'm clamping out of them. Yep. I got 60 amp hours of skibs and a single 320 under the hood.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah, I built the enclosure a while ago. I had some DDXs in it, but those things would just get really freaking hot. So I picked these up from a buddy, and we're demoing with them.
What's your box specs?
It's a 1 to 1.5. It's tuned 23 in the rear and like 46 in the front, so it's a full octave. Right. It does pretty good. Yeah, it'll play 18 to 60. It's very
good efficiency. Yeah. Have you done any SPL tests on it?
Yeah, I got a 57.9 on the dash, 36 hertz. So, but that was with an SPL Mini. I don't know what term lab is.
Yep, I don't know. It's usually within a few tenths.
Well, that's good then. So yeah, if it kicks
as long as you don't have sun hitting it.
Yeah, no. I was doing it at nighttime. I know that.
Yeah.
So I normally load off that window.
This window.
So if I load off that window, it's normally where I peak the loudest. Yep. So that's just where it plays best for lows.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it a lot.
Oh, we got look. Is there a way to see the hands?
Yeah.
Under the hood.
That seat bends. You can look at the end.
Okay. There we go.
more pressure. But I mean, it plays everything. If you want some lows, I'll play some lows.
Sure, yeah, man. One more sounds good.
Get a hair trick going too.
Okay. She's trying not to do her hair too much. Hair trick. She's gonna do a hair trick.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch big, that's my type.
Oh yeah. So loading off of that door, you play low 20s pretty well.
Yeah, I normally load off that window.
This window?
So if I load off that window, it's normally where I peak the loudest.
Yep.
So that's just where I play the best.
Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it a lot.